The other day I was able to finish tiling the dining room. Now that the tile has had a chance to set, it's time to start grouting. I'll show you what everything looks like before we get started. I left this spot undone because the next step is going to be to start demo in the kitchen. I left that area untiled so I don't have to worry about damaging the new tile.
Now that the tiling in the dining room is done, we have to prep in order to grout. Jonah did pretty much all of the work. We have to clean between the tiles, we have to get the wax off the top of the tiles, vacuum and wash the tiles before we're able to grout.
You had something on your butt.
our goal is to be as self-sustainable as possible. We'd like to buy a large piece of land, build our house, live off-grid, have chickens and pigs, and grow our own food. We don't have much garden space where we are now, but I have turned our flower beds into little gardens. Each green pepper or green bean I grow teaches me and prepares me for the next season. I grew 1 cucumber this year, and I was so proud of it. We hope to be able to sell this house and be able to purchase land and build a house debt-free. One of the things that is important to us is that when we sell this house, that it's in really good condition. Now, these floors really needed to be replaced, and we're taking our time and doing the best work that we can possibly do in order to have beautiful floors in this house.
Almost.
Almost. That was almost the beginning of a song. And it's looking really good. Okay. Call me.
A couple weeks ago, I replaced this trim piece because the trim piece had really deteriorated badly over the last 10 years, and it needed to be replaced. So I was able to get a replacement from Home Depot, and I was able to get it replaced, but nobody else was home at the time, and my arms were not long enough to reach the bolt to tighten everything up on the bottom and to reach this at the same time. So this loosened up. So Terry's gonna help me fix this, and I just basically need her to hold this top piece while I tighten up one bolt underneath. I gotta unscrew this. You might want to put something under there to catch water.
That has a smell. No water.
Alright, now I have a lot more room.
Where are you moves around a lot. Right there. Could you please pause?
Huh?
Okay, go ahead, keep going.
How's that? Is that nice and tight?
I think so.
Oh!
A little dusty?
Well, yeah, because we haven't cleaned them since we sanded.
Yep.
Sanded. Oh my. I do like them open though.
Out. Lay down. Thanks. Okay, so I use my laser right here to follow this line down so we can make sure that we are straight all the way through the hallway. Now we already made one mistake earlier on when I didn't use a laser, and this tile is slightly askew, angled that way. So we're hair off the laser line from the original measurement, but I have the line there so we can stay on that line now and not get any further off. Move that bucket, please. Need a water bucket. Come here. Lay down. Lay down.
Ooh. Oh, we're not doing another tile, are we?
Nope.
Oops. Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.